Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Postman on Windows 11 in a very simple way. What you have to do, you have to open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option and simply search for Postman. Click enter. And from here, you're going to get the download Postman option. If you click on this, then you're going to get Windows 6 for option to download. Click on that. The download option pops in, click on download, and it's about 154 MB and it will take some minutes to complete. As you can see, download has been completed. Now if you click on this folder icon, click on it 2 times to install this exe file, click on run and minimize all of your background app. And as you can see right now, your Postman is rightly opened in our computer. You can simply continue with Google. Also, you can create free account, and if you already have an account, you can simply log in. So this is how we can simply download and install Postman in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the videos. Till then, goodbye.